Hi, I'm Kevin Harrington, an original shark from ABC's Shark Tank, and I'm also a pioneer of the infomercial industry. And I'm here today with Lani Akiona, founder of Akiona Law. And Akiona Law is based in Everett, Washington, and they focus exclusively on divorce and family law. Welcome, Lani. How you doing?
Hi, good. Thank you, Kevin.
Super. Well, we're going to get right into it because I know that, this is a huge subject. Lots of people have moved back in together more with COVID, and there's all kinds of things happening out in the world right now. But what are the important questions a person should ask when hiring a divorce lawyer?
Hi, Kevin. Thanks. I'm glad you asked me that. Well, the first important question to ask is, what is your approach to family law and divorce cases? Do you have a one size fits all type of approach, or do you come up with a case plan or case assessment specific to the needs of my own divorce and family law situation?
Yes, I got that. That makes total sense. And why is that important?
Because there is no one size fits all solution. Each divorce and family law case is unique, depending on the facts and circumstances of what's going on in your individual family law or divorce situation. And a good divorce and family law lawyer will come up and develop a strategy or plan or assessment to meet the specific needs of your own case. And we at fact at Akiona Law, we have come up with approach that in fact no other divorce or family law firms in Washington state does.
Well, hey, I want to hear a little bit about that. Tell me about that and what sets Akiona Law apart from all the other Washington state divorce law firms.
Okay, so when you meet with an attorney, be it family law, divorce, what have you, they're going to ask you the first thing, what's going on? Tell me the facts of your case. But we go beyond that. We want to know not only just the facts, but we want to know, what are your fears? What are your frustrations? What are your wants? What are your goals in your divorce and family law case? A fear could be your partner is abusive and your goal is to keep yourself and the children safe. Or a fear could be that you haven't worked in 10 years because you've been staying home to take care of the kids, and your goal is financial security moving forward. By understanding the big picture, not just the facts, but by understanding your fears, your frustrations, your wants, and your goals, we at Akiona Law are able to develop this case plan or case assessment unique to your family law and divorce case.
Nice. I love that personalized approach, and that gives you so much power then. And so, but you mentioned the term case plan or assessment. What is a case plan or a case assessment?
A case plan is a series of suggested steps or action that we suggest that you take to help you achieve the goals in your own family or divorce case. A case assessment is an honest and realistic evaluation based on our 30 plus years of practicing in family law and divorce about how likely it is for you to achieve the wants in your case. Now, some people don't want to hear that type of honesty. They only want to hear, how good is my case? Am I going to win? But
Yeah.
if your case is weak and you have bad facts, the reality is you're probably not going to get what you want. And we at Akiona Law believe that you deserve the respect and honesty. We're not going to tell you what you want to hear. We're going to tell you what you need to hear.
That's a powerful statement, Lonnie. I love it. So many lawyers would do the opposite, tell you what you want to hear, and so you're really giving it to them. But what do you mean by that for those that may not understand that?
Well, Kevin, we're not like those other divorce lawyers that are going to tell you what you want to hear in order to get hired. We would love to work with you in your divorce or family law case. Don't get me wrong, but not if it means we can't be honest with you about it.
And why is that important?
Well, Kevin, one of our core values is putting our clients' needs first. This goes hand in hand with Akiona Law's motto, caring for you in your time of crisis.
Well, I think it's been great hanging out with you here and talking to you. And I know that during these tough times, sometimes the stress and lack of money and living together in close quarters, that where they weren't, things are different today. So Akiona Law has an amazing track record in this business. And I just want to say to anyone out there, you've heard it right here. And, Lani, the founder of the divorce law firm Akiona Law, based in Washington State, this is the time to be checking her firm out. And I think that the bottom line is that they care for you in your time of crisis. So Akiona Law, thank you, Lani, for being with us. An amazing interview. Good luck. Thank you.
Thank you, Kevin.